Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome. In today's video, I really want to do some update around my house, particularly this behind me because it's fall and my whole house has this fall theme going on except this room. My dining table does have a fall centerpiece, but what's behind me needs to change. So I went to AC Moore and Home Goods and got some of the supplies. If you want to see how I'm gonna do my arrangement, then stay tuned and let's get to it. So here you guys, what I bought at AC Moore. These are all artificial flowers and a little bit of fillers. Over here, some green and orange foliage. These are really cool. I really like them. Some ranunculus, some hydrangeas, 3 different colors. And let's get to the arranging our vase. Okay, what I'm doing first is I want to line my table with just piece of paper just to keep my table scratches free. So, and what I like to do first is to start with my main flowers like these hydrangeas. Take off all the tags. I know for sure that I want to keep one hydrangea right in the middle, right there, so it would go as high as it can with its height to keep my arrangement as a center with this hydrangea. So I'm keeping in mind that I want to have one in the middle, and then I'm going to place these 2 hydrangeas on a side, and I'm gonna just bend these stems a little bit at about like 5 inches or so to keep them a little bit shorter so they would peak on a side and help me keep that poofiness of my arrangement. Then I like to go with my other hydrangeas, different color hydrangeas. My colorful hydrangeas, I want to go around just like that. And then with my yellow ones, place them like I did with my orange ones around, and make sure my arrangement has these all around. An eye on your center just to have it centered. I am working with my front over here, so that's why it's facing me, so I can see what's going on. Next, I'm going to take my ranunculuses. I hope I pronounced them right. If not, I am so sorry. Okay, these flowers cost me, I should have told you how much I bought everything for, but these flowers, I got them for $4.99. These were not on sale. These orange hydrangeas and yellow hydrangeas were on sale, 60% off, I believe. Let me see if I can find a sticker with price. They were $4.99 as well, so 60% off. You do the math. So pretty affordable and very nice. Okay, with the amount of flowers that I got 3 big red or burgundy hydrangeas, 3 orange, and 3 yellow. For my ranunculuses, I got 5 of them. So I'm going to spread them around my arrangement and move on to the next flower. What I like to do with these ranunculuses, I like to keep them a little bit higher, maybe sticking out here and there. Don't push them all the way here because it doesn't look good. You want to fill over here so that you're having flowers all over your arrangement. So keep them as high as you can. Here's a little tip. Less flowers you have, flowers will fall down. More flowers you'll have, these flowers have, or any other flower will have something to grab on and hold the height. So the more flowers you stick into your vase or put in your vase, the easier it gets to work with flowers. You can pull them out, you can push them in a little bit more. I'm not using any foam inside of my vase. You can cut up a few pieces of foam and just place them inside the vase. That way you don't have to worry about flowers falling down because foam will be holding from the bottom. So that's my tip. Now I want to move on to these little guys. These cost me $4.99. I honestly can't remember if they were on sale or not. I believe they were, so 60% off. Very nice and very affordable as well. It's always good to have coupons, and if you have rewards card, if you have VIP card, you can save money if you shop at AC Moore a lot. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought this for my own money. Nothing is sponsored. Yeah. So anyways, I'm taking these really nice yellow orangish stems, leaves, and I am inserting them. Well, I have 3 stems and I want to place one probably over here, over there, and one in the back as well. I don't want to push these guys too far down. I want my bouquet or arrangement look a little more fuller and bigger than I'm actually making it. So absolutely bend and shuffle your flowers around. Now the amount of flowers that I have right now, they hold themselves really nice without a foam in the vase, so I can like pull it out, reinsert the flower, play with them more and see what works and what I like the best. I think I want to use these guys. They were on sale as well, and I paid well, the original price was $9.99, so 60% off, $4, something like that. Here's my front of my arrangement, and what I want to do is to insert them, one over here and one over there. The reason I bought these white ones because it looks way too red and orange, so I really want to add a different type of color and make this arrangement even more prettier and nicer. So let's insert these guys in. Okay, these are really nice, these flowers, because they have these stems that you can. This is a little bit different than the one that I have right here. This is very nice because these stems, they are bending, and you can play around with them and kind of mix it up with your flowers. Go around, walk around, see how it looks from every single angle. Guys, I bought them for $6.99. I don't believe they were on sale, but They look nice, and I needed something green, and the Easy More didn't have anything on sale, so I had to buy these full price. I want to insert these closer to the bottom to give my arrangement more flow, and green to give it more life. So let's go. I also like to bend and kind of tell the flower or the greenery where to look and where to go. I think it looks beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, because I think it looks beautiful. Okay, so I kind of bended a few flowers down. And I think it looks a lot better. So to finish off our arrangement, the main thing is coming up, and I'm really excited about this because it's going to complete the whole thing. I bought a few more fillers, and I am so excited about them. Here's one bunch, and here's the other one, and a little bit of a more orange stuff again. So I'm going to unpack these, and I'm going to insert them all over the arrangement to freshen up this arrangement just a little bit. Guys, what I have with these orange fluffy things, I don't know what that is, but I'm going to insert them probably over here, over there, I mean all over the arrangement, and we will be done. These are really fragile. Okay, so I think I am done with this arrangement. I like what I see. Alright you guys, so I am done, and I did change my backdrop over there, and I hope with this video I gave you some ideas and I inspired you to do DIYs for your home. Alright you guys, in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this arrangement that you saw a little bit earlier, and if you have any questions, comment down below. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.